Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to set apps auto arrangement on Infinix Smart 8 easily. Okay guys, I will show you a little bit. If you delete one apps from the home screen or desktop, then the app after it will remain in place and you have to shift or move other apps to make it look neat. But now you don't have to bother manually moving because we will activate the app's auto arrangement feature guys. So how to do that? It's quite easy. First thing first, you can long press on the blank screen like this until the menu is appearing, and then go to settings menu, and then here you can click others, and then here you can activate app auto arrangement. So yeah, now we check together. And this is I will remove one of application over here, and yeah, the apps will auto arrangement without we have to manually moving it one by one. Okay guys, so here's the tutorial on how to set apps auto arrangement on Infinix Smart 8, and thank you so much for watching.